Hello my dear YouTube friends, and welcome again to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to change the battery on a scooter 50cc, and it's pretty simple actually. I have this scooter which is not starting right now, and it can only be started by kick-starting the scooter or jumping the battery. As you can see, it's completely dead, doesn't start. But if I kickstart it, it starts. Okay. Shut it off, and then the battery will be here. There's gonna be a compartment in the bottom of the moped. Usually it's gonna be just one screw you have to remove, and then you have your battery here. And always make sure to check this one, this fuse. Sometimes it's burned, and that could make it so your moped doesn't start. There's a small filament there that if it's burned, it just be broken. Okay, so you check that one and make sure it's good, and then you'll just pull the battery out. You do want to unplug the battery, so grab your Phillips screwdriver. In my case, I just have a flathead, but it works. Okay, so you will just remove both terminals. Positive and negative, and then this just comes off, and you remove the battery. Okay, this one seems to be bigger. This one I got it off Amazon. I thought it was pretty nice that it had this screen here. It tells you the amperage and the voltage and everything. So we'll see if it works. Let's see. We have these two. Let's see. Let's make sure this is right. Okay, dry and clean. Okay guys, and then you'll just put this battery, you put the positive, the negative, and then you put the positive on the red one. Okay guys, so once you screw everything, let's see, you push this and then it'll tell you the voltage. Let's see what else it tells you. Wow, okay, let me show you. Let's see what else. Okay, voltage and day. Alright, let's give it some crank. Alright guys, make sure to leave your like and your comment if you have any questions, and I will see you guys in the next video.